Hey, what's up? Are you new to affiliate marketing? And are you confused about which platform to use or which not to use or what I need? Well, I have a solution for you. So stay tuned in this video. All right, guys, today's topic is geared towards affiliate marketing beginners, and it's all about a platform that is an all-in-one, very inexpensive platform that all affiliate marketers new in the space should probably consider. All right, so if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are not new to this channel, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you find this content worthy and value added for you. And also, if you can give me some comments and let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And also, if you have any questions about this content, please post it below and I will reply. If you have an interest in this platform that I'm speaking about today, there will be a link below in the description. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial, test it out for yourself, and take it from there. All right, guys, so let's get on with today's video. And again, what I'm speaking about today is an all-in-one marketing platform designed specifically for digital internet affiliate marketers. All right. So if you're new in this space, I recommend you look at this product because there's 4 things that you're going to need as an affiliate online marketer. You're going to need an email autoresponder. You're going to need a sales funnel builder. You're going to need your own domain and a hosting service, right? You're going to need a website builder for your blog or whatnot. So these 4 things are pretty much necessary to be a successful internet marketer. You might not need the website, but you're definitely going to need your own domain, someplace to host that domain, a sales funnel, right? And email autoresponder. You're going to need those 3 things, period. Minimum. All right, so this product, if you've seen my videos before, you've probably seen me speak of Builderall. And Builderall is a very good product, and that's why I keep talking about it, because it's an all-in-one marketing platform, and it's very good for somebody coming into affiliate marketing or the online marketing space. It'll allow you to market any service or product, and also allows you to earn commissions as an affiliate with their product. All right, so what does this have included with it? It has a website builder, blog, sales funnel, email autoresponder, SEO tools, copywriter, a webinar service, video editing, photo editing, presentation editor. The list goes on and on, guys. That's only about 50% of what's in here, and also includes training and a big community of people to help you learn. So what you will get out of Builderall as a beginning affiliate marketer, somebody that's new in this niche, is you're going to learn how to market. You're going to learn how to put these things together. You're going to learn how to run ads. You're going to learn how to drive traffic to your landing pages. You're going to learn marketing with this tool. So it's a very good place to start. All right. So let's get on with the video and go over what Builderall is and how it can help you as a beginner in this space. So this is the affiliate program, and it's a very good program. Builderall is very inexpensive for the affiliate. It's only $49 a month, and you could be off recommending this software. So if you purchase this software today and you recommended it to somebody and they purchased it, you will get 100% commissions and your product will be free that month. All right. So just imagine if you could get 6 people to purchase this, you'd have it free for 6 months. Just think of it that way, right? And if they could do the same thing, you will get commission from the people they bring in, 30%. So it's very cool because it's a 2-tier affiliate program. All right. So just the affiliate piece itself is great, especially as a newcomer in the niche. It'll teach you how to market. It'll teach you how to do all this stuff that you're going to need to know to push a high ticket affiliate program or some other service. It's going to teach you how to do that in this this program, this marketing platform. All right. So it's a very cool program, and I'm going to go through it here in a minute. But there is a link in the description if you're very interested into it. I highly recommend it if you are new in this space because it is a very inexpensive platform and it gives you your email responder, your sales funnel builder. It allows you to put your domain in there. If you don't have a domain, it will even allow you to purchase it from their site. All right. So when you first come into the back office, if you sign up for the free 7-day trial, you get put into here and you'll get to see all this stuff, right? Uh, you'll come into the welcome Builderall quick start page, and right from the get-go, they're trying to get you to earn money, right? So the goal here is to start. You get connected. You either have your own domain or you purchase a domain from them. You'll do it this step, and once you do, you connect your domain so you can start having affiliate links. So you see here I have affiliate links, and you have this is your first funnel to help you grow. It's your straight up domain. Then you have uh, affiliate funnel, a mailing boss funnel. A mailing boss is their email autoresponder, and a 7-day free trial funnel. So these are pre-built funnels already for you, and they're ready to go, right? So let's go into this real quick on this page. And I'll show you what this is, right? So this is their email autoresponder. This is my affiliate link. So just this itself, you can purchase alone, right? You can purchase this all by itself for one low cost fee, and you don't have to pay a monthly fee for it at all. And so it's a one-time fee, and you got your autoresponder. You don't have to pay for, you know, your first 1,000 to 2,000. So with other autoresponders, say for instance, I use GetResponse, and GetResponse is 0 to 1,000. It's only 15 bucks. Any 1,000 to 2,000 goes up to 25, and it just keeps going up and up and up with the more subscribers you got. And once you get a big list of subscribers on a platform, it's hard to move them because you got to export them, then move them over, then start your email campaign over. So it's a big hassle. So if you start in this platform, guys, it's pretty awesome, right? So right here, if you get the Builder All Business for $49, you're getting all this in there. So you get your quick start. You got your links. It tells you how to do an ad. It gives you some pre-loaded videos. Shows you what to write in your ads on Facebook or wherever you're doing it. Then you can learn more about Builderall. It shows you how to do solo ads. I would recommend you watch my video on how to find a good vendor in Udemy. I have a video. I'll link it on the back of this video, but it shows you how to buy purchase traffic. You could do Instagram advertising, Facebook advertising, or YouTube advertising. Now you could do paid traffic, or you can do free traffic. So free traffic is going to take you longer, but paid traffic will get you there faster. It's however what your budget is how you should move. All right, so we're going to go through some of these tools, what you should look for as a beginning affiliate. I would recommend you come in here and you go through this quick step, and then you would come over here and I'm going to show you where else to go to get started. Right, currently we have a 90-day challenge, and it's a great place for an affiliate marketer to come, get started, and go hit the ground running. All right, so first I'm going to go through some tools and I will talk about the 90-day challenge. So some of the tools is the drag and drop pixel perfect. This is where I spend most of my time. This is where you can build websites, sales funnels, etc. So you would come into the new website, you would pick pick a template, whether it's a sales funnel, a blog, whatever it is, or something in a particular niche, then you would pick it. All right. So you could just go to sales funnels. You could go through all these and be like, you know what? I know somebody has a chiropractor service and I want to create a chiropractor website, or it could be as simple as, you know what? I just want to build a sales funnel. You can go over here to sales funnels, pick one out. They got all kinds of templates. They go on for days. You can pick one out that matches what you want and build it out to fit your niche. All right. So that's just one place where you want to be. All right. They got this other responsive builder, which is a website builder that builds responsive websites. And what that is it moves automatic with your mobile device or tablet. So it doesn't matter what device you're looking at, the website is responsive to that image size, right? So it'll just shrink it down automatic. So that's pretty cool too. I don't really use this. I use this one, and on this one, you have to kind of format your stuff for each option. So it'll show you a picture of the desktop, picture of the tablet, a picture of the phone, and you just format it in those in each one of those screens. It's not real hard. They got an app creator, and right here you use this to build iPhone apps, Android apps, etc. You have a website builder. You can use this to build out blogs, and guys, it just gets crazier. So they have email autoresponder called Mailing Boss, and what this is it's a autoresponder, and it's all included in the price of 49 bucks. You have unlimited email contacts that you can put into this, so you don't have to worry about the price going up. You have it all right here in this platform, which is pretty amazing. You have a design studio, which this is a presentation builder, a photo studio, which they give you some photos that are set up so you can actually edit them for your site. They have videos. They allow help you create an animated video. If you ever seen the videos with the cartoon characters or something like that, check it out. It's pretty cool. And uh, you'll enjoy pretty much whatever one you're looking at. All right. So you have apps. You have browser notifications, SEO on a page, click maps. Click map is an option that shows you where you're clicking at on a page. Uh, Facebook chat bots. This is another one that's kind of cool. So you can set up Facebook chat bots to automatically accept messages, etc. Um, you have e-learning, share lockers, script generators, which help you write copy, social proof, a roulette wheel to do drawings. These are just some of the extra tools. You got some special add-ons here. So this is special training, promos. You got webinar service. You got its own marketing place where you can sell products. You got tutorials and training videos. You got your business. And within your business, you got this pretty cool option here. In this option, you have Builder All Business, and this takes you through a 30-day post on social media. So that's pretty cool. Also, you have Daily 365, which they always have tips coming through for various things that you're speaking, or download email swipes, quotes, video promotions, blog articles, testimonials, all this stuff that you can use in your marketing material. All right. Money making funnels, pre-built funnels that you can use to promote Builderall. So these funnels are all used to promote Builderall. All right, so these are all linked to my domain, and I can just pick one, uh, put a landing page in front of it, and start promoting traffic to come to it. Shows your leads, your trainings. Trainings is what I want to go through. If you go to basic, you come in here. This is where I totally recommend, if you're new to affiliate marketing, you come here, you start this 90-day challenge. This is going to show you from day one what this is, how to promote it, and it takes you through all these lessons. And the way this works is you got the first level. Once you get to 3 sales, they bring you over to the next level, and you hit a certain amount of sales and it'll bring you to the next level, et cetera, et cetera. So you want to make sure you get your level 1 access complete, and then you'll go to the next level until you hit the 90 days. And what it is a goal to get you to $2,000 a month in 90 days. You just got to take massive action, go through these steps, and just do what it says, right? You read, and then you take action on what you read, all right? So this is what I totally recommend you guys do, is go through this 90-day challenge. Come in, use it for 90 days, learn affiliate marketing, and use it to promote more products and services. You can use it to promote ClickBank or JVZoo, something like that. And you can use it to promote Builderall. All right, so guys, this is a platform that you could use to learn how to market. All right, guys, so this is basically all I wanted to talk about today. I wanted to make sure, if you're in a beginning affiliate and you're overwhelmed with all the stuff that you got to do, start here. Join Builderall. You have the platform. Go through the 90-day challenge. Learn how to market. It's going to teach you how to email script. It's going to teach you how to do email sequences. It's going to teach you everything you need to know right here in Builderall to promote something online. So guys, I hope you found some value out of this video and I wasn't rambling too much. And if you did like what you heard, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, please post them below and I will answer them. All right, if you have an interest in joining the 90-day challenge, join in Builderall. There was a link in the description. Sign up and I'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll see you on the video tomorrow.